Hey, what is up guys, FZM here. This is the very first display quality test between the Huawei Mate 20X versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. In summary, I'll be testing which smartphone has the best overall display using a variety of Ultra HD video content. So you may have watched my previous display test between the Note 9 and Huawei Honor Note 10. If you haven't, it's a very good watch and I suggest you go check it out after this. Anyways, it's the same theme once again. There will be 3 parts to cover the display quality test. In today's video, it's part 1, which features 2 stunning clips. Both videos will test high dynamic range, RGB color accuracy, and overall vibrancy between both smartphones. So I want you guys to watch it through to the end so you get a full look at which display performs the best here. All you guys have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the clips, and give your feedback at the end on which you think is the overall winner. Right, let's get to it. For the Mate 20X, we're looking at a 7.2-inch OLED display, and on the Note 9, a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. So settings, display. So max brightness for the Note 9, I'm using the adaptive display which from my everyday experience brings out the best quality, and video enhancer is on, capturing that further detail as it's a fully optimized smartphone for YouTube. I'm also in high performance mode, which means the resolution is set to the highest, which is WQHD Plus at 2960 by 1440. And lastly, on the Note 9, it has Dolby Atmos support, which gives you high fidelity audio and superb overall sound. Right, and for the Mate 20X, settings, display, and max brightness, color temperature is set to vivid, which will give us nice and vibrant colors overall. For screen resolution, the Mate 20X is at Full HD Plus at 2244 by 1080. Now, as you can see, we have an option to hide the notch. I'll leave this on default just to see how much the teardrop notch affects our overall viewing experience. And we also have an always on display for the Mate 20X, just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And finally, there is also Dolby Atmos support with 3 modes: Smart, Film, and Music. Now, Film is my preferred option as it gives the Mate 20X excellent audio clarity through its top and bottom firing speaker. Right, time to begin. So, resolution quality 1440p for the Note 9, and full brightness, and quality 1080p for the Mate 20X, and full brightness, and 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, enjoy. See you guys at the end. So, let me hear your thoughts on this display comparison test. Huawei Mate 20X or Samsung Galaxy Note 9? Which display performed the best here? Which would you choose and who do you think won? Is the Note 9 outshining the Mate 20X with its superior AMOLED Infinity display at 1440p resolution? Or does the stunning 7.2-inch OLED display of the Mate 20X draw you in as a viewer due to its sheer size? There's a poll above on this video, so have your vote now. So, this concludes part 1. There's 2 more parts coming up between the Mate 20X and Note 9, and then we'll have our display test winner. So I'm really excited for part 2 and 3, so stay tuned. So be sure to stick around, it's going to be incredible, there's lots more to come. For now, Mate 20X or Note 9? Drop me your comments below, I'll be checking them all out. Thanks so much for watching and showing your support as usual, keep it coming. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one.